I'm here with Amanda. Amanda, can you describe a little bit of what toy you're playing with and how it relates to Taiwan?
Well, we're playing with a teddy, or Chinese yo-yo, and it's just fun kids' toy to do a couple tricks, and then if we had the bamboo versions, we could make whistling noises.
She knows how to do it. That's pretty good.
And it's a fun kind of thing to do something, occasionally throw things around.
That's really good.
And it's just kind of fun to teach some of the kids to try.
So this is your first time at the festival, or you've been here multiple years?
It's maybe my third or fourth year. Yeah.
What brings you back every year? Like, what makes you want to come back? I mean, it's a lot of work, like volunteering your Saturday.
It's kind of fun just interacting with all the kids, especially the kids who are like, oh my god, I want to try, I want to try. How do you do this? With this, or the lantern animals, or the towel animals and stuff like that. It's just fun and cute. And just
Cool,
one
cool.
year. So yeah.
Last question. What makes you smile when you think about Taiwan? Like, whenever you go back, what is the first thing you got to do, first thing you got to eat? What makes you smile?
I feel like it's more just the energy of the streets, and then all the street foods.
Okay.
Yeah. So there's no one food. It's more just like that looks good. I'm gonna go.
So you just love everything about Taiwan? Okay. All right. Thank you, Amanda.
Yep. I'll see you around.